What is up, guys? I am back with another video, and today's video, guys, we are actually in my house once again. We're about to go outside and do some fireworks because today is 4th of July. I hope you guys are having a good day for 4th of July. I hope you've been celebrating. I've been celebrating. It's been kind of down because I've had a few passes lately, and I mean the day I had one. So guys, I'm trying to cheer myself up with some fireworks. We got people shooting them up everywhere. And guys, I will be right back. I'm going to be going outside and I'll be showing you a few clips of fireworks. So get ready, because here it comes right now. Okay guys, so we are back. I don't think you can see us right now, but as you can see, my mom's got hers going, my sister's right there, my dad's up there getting ready, and but yeah guys, we are but yeah guys, we're having a great time out here. We're trying to have a great time out here, but guys, Happy New Year's, not Happy New Year's, what the heck am I saying? I just said Happy New Year's. But yeah guys, we're about to start doing some fireworks, so guys, I'll be right back. There's one over there, one right there. You can see, guys, people shooting them off. My god, that makes a lot of smoke. Yeah guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna set up the actual fireworks, so I'll be right back. There it goes, guys.
Is the next one there? Woo! That one was big. Dang. Woo! Woo! Yes. Okay, I think that one was a dud. I don't know what that was.
The rest of them ain't nothing.
Oh, what is this? Did it shoot straight up? I thought it was going to explode. What is this supposed to do?
That's those that goes straight. These are pretty good though. These are pretty better than last year.
Woo. Oh, that was bright and big.
Woo!
Oh, I need to get this thing focused. Alright, here's.
Hey, gosh, those are pretty.
Goodness. Woo! Was that it? Oh.
Look at them. Woo-hoo.
Oh, I got burnt. Oh gosh. Ooh.
Gosh, that's beautiful. Hot dog, this is better than last year's.
You're right.
Y'all really got some good ones.
Good ones. Yeah, you can thank me for that. Jimmy didn't.
Okay guys, so I hope you did enjoy that little fireworks show that I had. It was a pretty good one. I tried to make it as good as I could. I got some of the big fireworks that we got last year, but guys, I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. And guys, I hope you're having a good a good 4th day. Happy 4th day to you guys. Happy Independence Day, and guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace out, and goodbye. I don't know when I'm gonna pull out any more videos. I might do some, but guys, hope you have a good rest of your night. I'm gonna get to work on editing this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.